I ain't really gonna say a whole lot today because I'm really not in a fucking good mood. There's the EGR valve. Okay. Now I'm a mechanic. Don't want to be a mechanic. And I don't want to learn nothing more than what I know right here, right now. That is what code that it's throwing. I guess I can look it up. She's right back doing the same thing that she was doing before. Now she ain't been cut, huh? Yep, there she goes. That's the end of that. And I got this to show, and I'm I'll be boxing it up in the next day or two and sending it out.